Here is a free source of traffic that will allow you to find your tribe or even build your own. So you can tap into existing communities that are relevant to your niche. You can promote your content in front of them and drive traffic to your sites. So let me show you the stats in SimilarWeb so you can decide for yourself if this is the right platform for you. So we can see that the global rank is pretty high, 5,000. The country rank is 2,000. If we have a look at traffic overview, then we can see over 9 million visits a month, and in previous months it broke through the 10 million mark. It's dipped down slightly over recent months, but it looks to be climbing back up again. So this is a powerhouse of traffic. If we go have a look at the traffic by countries, we can see it gets an impressive 43% of the traffic from the United States. This is really profitable traffic because we can see the top 3 are USA, UK, and Canada. That is an advertiser's dream. So if you're running CPA, if you're running CPM, or you're trying to monetize your website through products or affiliate marketing, you're in really good standing here. So this is profitable traffic. And then we have Brazil and Mexico follow both on 2%. So let's check out the traffic sources. 49% is direct, 4% from referrals, 39% from search. There's actually 2 different versions of this platform today. We're looking at the desktop version. So we can see that content on this platform is being indexed by Google. That's really good for you because it means you're going to get organic search traffic from the USA, from the UK, from Canada, which is going to be very profitable for you. And then we can see that 3% of the traffic is from social media. Let's check out that 39% search traffic. 99.9% is organic, 0.1% paid. This is very good for you. So if we go down to social, that 3%, look at that. YouTube is top with 37%. Facebook has got 16%. Youku 16%. Pinterest 8%. And Twitter with 7%. So happy with the stats. Agree that it's a powerhouse of traffic that you should be tapping into. Let's go check out the website, and it is tapatalk.com. You may not have heard of this platform. You may already be using it. So it says, building and participating in great communities. Our mission is to help you building a sustainable community and get recognized from your contributions. And then we can click learn more. It will take us to a bit more detail. So it says building great communities. Tapatalk is the mobile first community platform trusted by hundreds of thousands communities worldwide. Start a new community today or connect your community with our mobile app. It's the infrastructure and service you need to build a great community. Now, of course, you can build your own community, and I recommend that you do, but you can tap in, pardon the pun, to existing communities. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well, in addition to creating your own niche specific community. It's very quick and easy to do. It took me about 10 seconds to do mine. I'll show you how I did it. So it says it is the future of online forums, reward based, member supported, decentralized governance and ownership. Check out our long-term vision of online forums at tapx.io. And then it goes on to say Tapatalk Mobile beyond community software. The mobile app layers on top of your existing community software to provide a seamless native mobile app experience for your members. So if you have an existing forum running or an existing community, you can use this in conjunction. So you can use this to build that community, to make it mobile responsive, get more visitors, get more members in there from the vast Tapatalk community. So there are 2 ways to use this, which I'll show you in a second. So it says managed community platform, cloud hosting, spam control, mobile first. So today we're going to use the desktop version because that's easier for me right now to just show you my screen instead of hooking up QuickTime to record the mobile phone. Instead, we're just going to make it really simple. So there is a little bit of a caveat because we're going to have to use Google to search through TapaTalk to find relevant communities that you might want to join. I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. So this is pretty cool. It says interest graph, not just a mobile app. TapaTalk has used billions of data points to build an interest graph to predict what topics your members will want to read next. Think about the power of that. So this will suggest content ideas for your audience, for you, so you know what your audience will want. Think about how powerful that is. It says we help get your members hooked onto your community with tools such as personalized feeds, email newsletters, recommended discussions, and more. That is incredibly powerful for marketers because it's going to increase engagement, it's going to increase the level of activity and the amount of people who join our communities. Very powerful stuff. So let's go back to the front page. You can sign up very easily. It says get started. So if you click on that, it's going to allow you to create an account and log in. I already have one. I'm logged in. So let's go check things out. So we'll notice on the front page, the very first thing after the big call to action, it says start your own. So build your own community by creating a brand new group in TapaTalk. I recommend you do that. So click start new. It says group name. I've already created one for marketing. Let's do one for SEO. And then short name. As we can see, there's already relevant groups made for SEO. So this is going to be O2. Give it a description. We want to add keywords here. So SEO group for search engine optimization and webmasters, bloggers, entrepreneurs, and marketers. Now we can choose to make it look better, choose a primary color. I'm going to go with blue, I think. Let's choose that one. We can add a background image if we want to, just for demo purposes. I'm not going to do that, but if you choose to do that, it gives you the recommended dimensions that you should be using for this. So it will be featured on both desktop and mobile versions. So that means it's going to look beautiful no matter which version your users are using. So I'm not a robot. Let's click that and then click continue. So now it's going to build a community for us that people can join. And there you go. Here you can see my groups, the groups that I have made, the SEO one that I've just made now, and then a marketing one which I made previously. I don't know how active these are. I'm probably not going to be very active in them because I am too busy running my business. So if we click on that, it will take you to your community. And look at this. Look at this. So we have an upgrade option, but we don't need to do that if we don't want to. So at the moment, it's all free to use, which is really nice. It's all donation based, and we can run this just like any forum. But what if you want to find existing groups to join? Well, that is really easy to do. Unfortunately, if we go back to the homepage, unfortunately on the desktop version, we don't have a search field. There's no search bar. So if you're using the mobile app, at the very top, you will have a search bar on that. So I recommend you install the app. If you want to use this platform, use it to search that way. However, if you don't want to install the app, I'm going to show you how to search it using Google. So if we go to google.com, type in tapatalk.com with the colon and then your keyword, so your niche. So here we've got guitar, we could go marketing, we could go SEO, could go health, doesn't matter. If we click that, here we are going to have loads of relevant groups and communities devoted to that niche. So if we click this one, it's going to take us to an existing community that has got over 1,000 topics, 10,000 posts, and if we go down, it might not actually be relevant to health. So if we make it a little bit more specific, so maybe let's go with guitar. So click on the top one there, and this is a community, an active community. There we can see the latest post was today. There's an active community of people interested in that topic. So you can go through Google, find these relevant groups, join them, share your content, build a network, get leads, promote your stuff, follow the terms of service as always. But this is just one traffic source, and if you want to grow a popular and profitable website, you need the right strategy. So I'm going to give you the mother of all traffic strategies for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Grab that, it won't cost you a penny. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update, and I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.